Welcome back to Cruising with the Wild Herons. After about 2 months of being up on the hard at TJ's Marina and Boatyard, she's finally ready to go back into the water. While at TJ's Boatyard, we had a dinghy davit system installed on the aft. This was an upgrade to the boat. We also had some routine work and some preventative maintenance done. This included waxing the boat, getting her bottom painted, having all new zincs installed, and also replacing the raw water pipes that feed the engines. These were getting a little bit worn. While replacing those raw water pipes, we also had the raw water strainers cleaned out. The work took longer than expected, mainly because of waiting for parts to come in. We were so excited to have her back in the water. TJ's does such a great job moving the boat in the slings. It's a very precise job. The slings have to be in just the right position so the boat doesn't fall off. And you have to move it very slowly so you don't hit any other boats. And then moving it into the well, it has to just go in just so the whole thing doesn't fall in. It's a really scary job, I think. We do have a few other upgrades on our wish list, but we've spent a number of boat units already this year, so they're going to be postponed until probably next year. Every time you haul out a boat and then relaunch it back in, it's a boat unit. The boat gets slowly lowered down into that well. Once she's in the water, then TJ removes the straps so we can take off from there and bring her home. Ruh-roh. Houston, we have a problem. Apparently, she's taking on water by the starboard engine. Our mechanic, Chris, was on board and noted that the raw water strainers were leaking. So much for preventative maintenance. Now we have another problem. Break out another 1,000. Back on the hard she goes to get that fixed. We also noted that our generator fuel line was leaking. So that's going to have to be fixed too before we can take her home. So disappointed. But that's boat life for you. Once she's moved into place on dry land, TJ's crew can start putting blocks underneath the boat. Once the blocks are in place, then they can remove the slings and drive the lift away. That's it for this week. Stay tuned. for more Cruising with the Wild Herons. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button too. See you next time. Ciao.